Good afternoon. My name is Logic Ines, a first-year student of Southern Christian College under the College of Teacher Education.
So I have a few questions for you. So first question is, what is your knowledge about Jose Rizal?
My knowledge about Jose Rizal is that the very common thing is our national hero, and he fought for the freedom of us Filipinos.
So second question is, in your perspective, it is necessary to include Jose Rizal's life and works in the college curriculum.
Rizal's life and works to be included in the college curriculum. I think it's very necessary for us to understand that we should be in the context of understanding how Rizal went through different contexts in his life, because most of the college students right now, or some students even outside, even if they're not college students, they're not aware of how Rizal went through the context of battling for the freedom of Filipinos.
So third question is, do you think Jose Rizal should be the national hero of the Philippines?
Yes, of course, he should be.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Ate, good afternoon. What is your name? My name is Aileen Bufol, currently 4th-year student of Aileen College of Science and Technology. So I have a question for you. First question is, what is your knowledge about Jose Rizal?
Jose Rizal is one of our national heroes here in Philippines, and he also the writer of novel No Limitang Mere and El Filibusterismo, and he is also the son of the Equidora Alonso and Francisco Mercado.
Second question is, in your perspective, it is necessary to include Jose Rizal life and works in the college curriculum. Sa iyong pananaw, kailangan bang isali ang buhay at ang mga gawa ni Jose Rizal sa curriculum ng kolehiyo?
For me, yes, kasi in this generation hindi na ito ma-open ang ako ang mind about sa mga nahimo ni Rizal para sa Pilipinas, especially like siya man yun ang national hero. Siyempre daghan siya na natabang sa Pilipinas, especially sa paglaban sa mga Espanyol, diba?
So, third question is, do you think Jose Rizal should be the national hero of the Philippines?
Yes, tungod kay Rizal, natagaan o kalayaan ng mga Pilipino gamit sa ilang mga nobela like No Limitang Mere o El Filibusterismo, na naging isa siya sa naglaban na walay other na sandata, pero ang ginamit niya lang siya yung nobela.
What is your name? My name is Raylene D. Verde, current 4th-year college in Southern Christian College. So, I have a question for you. So, my first question for you is, what is your knowledge about Jose Rizal?
My knowledge about Jose Rizal is he is one of the reasons why Philippines is naka-aim ng freedom, ng kalayaan dahil sa paglaban niya sa mga Espanyol.
So, my second question is, in your perspective, it is necessary to include Jose Rizal's life and works in the college curriculum.
Yes, because it is very important na kumbaga isabuhay ang works and life ni Dr. Jose Rizal, because kundi dahil sa kanya is walang kalayaan ng Pilipinas.
So, third question, do you think Jose Rizal should be the national hero of the Philippines?
Yun nga yung sinabi ko na masasabi mo talaga siya ang magiging national hero natin sa Pilipinas dahil kundi dahil sa kanya hindi natin makakamtan ang kalayaan na meron tayo ngayon.
Your
Jocelyn Badua Berte.
So, I have a few questions for you about Jose Rizal. So, first question is, what is your knowledge about Jose Rizal, life and works? Can you give an example? Ano ang iyong nalaman tungkol sa buhay at mga gawa ni Rizal? Maaari bang magbigay kayo ng example?
Si Jose Rizal ay isang tinaguriang bayani. Nag-aalak pagtapos siya ng Bachelor of Agham. Tapos, ang unang guro niya, ang nanay niya. Ang unang guro niya ay ang nanay niya at natuto siyang magbasa, magsulat. Tapos, natutunan niya rin na natuto rin siya na iba't ibang lingwahe tulad ng Latin at Greek. Tapos, nung nakulong siya kasi dalawang beses siya nakulong. Nung pangalawang beses anong unang beses nakulong siya tapos itinapon siya sa dapitan. 4 na taon siya doon na nanggagamot ng mga may sakit. Tapos nung first siya nakulong, tinapon siya doon sa dapitan. 4 na taon siya nanggagamot ng may mga sakit. Tapos hinikayat niya ang mga tao doon na magkaroon ng sariling paaralan. Tapos, nagsusulat din siya ng nobela. Ang unang nobela niya noon ay Noli Me Tangere at El Filibusterismo. Then, pangalawang beses, nakulong siya ulit dahil pinagbintangan siyang nagsimulo ng rebellion laban sa mga Kastila.
So, next question. As a parent, it is okay that Jose Rizal life and works are taught in school. Please state your reason.
Yeah, it's okay kasi nalaman ko noon na ang last na sinulat ni Jose Rizal is ang huling paalam na pinabatid niya sa mga kabataan na malaman ng mga kabataan ng huli niyang nobela na maging isang makabayan ang mga kabataan.
In a perspective of Filipinos, should we follow the dedication of Jose Rizal's love for the Philippines?
Yes.